Jamaica names, strong team for 2025 World Athletics Indoor Championships. Jamaica is set to bring the heat to Nanjing, China, as the island unveils its powerful 23-member squad for the 2025 World Athletics Indoor Championships, scheduled for March 21st to 23rd. Leading the charge is Ackera Nugent, the 60-meter hurdle sensation, who has been on fire this season with a blistering 7.75 seconds performance. The Olympic finalist is eyeing Jamaica's first-ever women's 60-meter hurdles title and will have strong support from Amoy Brown, another rising force in the event. On the men's side, Rusheen McDonald, the national 400-meter record holder and 2024 World Indoor Bronze medalist, will double up in the individual 400-meter and the 4x400-meter relay, backed by a talented relay squad. Long jump star Wayne Pinnock, fresh off his Olympic silver medal, is another strong podium contender, alongside 2019 World Champion Tajay Gayle, who has already soared past 8 meters this season. Jamaica's sprint squad remains formidable, despite the absence of Olympic silver medalist Kishane Thompson. Nishion Ebanks and Rohan Watson will hold the fort in the men's 60 meters, with Travis Williams named as a reserve. Jodean Williams and veteran Natasha Morrison will look to make their mark in the women's 60-meter, continuing the island's sprint legacy. The squad also features several standout U.S.-based collegiate athletes, marking a return of student athletes to the national indoor team during the school semester. High jumpers Romaine Beckford and Raymond Richards, triple jumper Jordan Scott, and shot putters Lloyd Risha Cameron and Rajendra Campbell round out a well-balanced team ready to compete on the global stage. With a blend of seasoned champions and rising stars, Jamaica is locked, loaded, and ready to dominate the indoor track in China. Stay tuned for what promises to be an electrifying championship. Jamaica's full squad for the 2025 World Athletics Indoor Championships. Women's 60 meters. Jodean Williams, Natasha Morrison 60 meters hurdles. Ackera Nugent, Amoy Brown 400 meters. Leah Anderson, Joanne Reed, Genevieve Russell, reserve, shot, put. Lloyd Risha Cameron, men 60 meters. Rohan Watson, Nishion Ebanks, Travis Williams, reserve. 60-meter hurdles. Jerome Campbell, Demario Prince 400 meter. Rusheen McDonald 4x400 meter. Relay. Rusheen McDonald, Jasana Dennis, Damar Francis, Therese Roden, Kimar Farquharson high jump. Romaine Beckford, Raymond Richards, long jump. Tajay Gayle, Wayne Pinnock triple jump. Jordan Scott shot. Put. Rajendra Campbell. With firepower across multiple disciplines, Jamaica is ready to shine on the indoor world stage once again.